Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Merlin Rita, 41 years old. I'm married. I have one daughter, 19 years old. I live in Sodlon, Magikay, Mandawi City, Cebu. I am currently working here in Kuwait for 5 years. I serve two adults, ages 42 years old and 35 years old. Two kids, ages 5 years old and 3 years old. I do cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, cleaning, and my main duty is taking care for the kids. To my new employer, if you choose me, I promise I will do my duties. I'm kind, honest, trustworthy, and responsible. Thank you and God bless.